Good morning, students. Myself, Huma Shamim Bhatt. Welcome to Harda Degree College YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing the syllabus for Foundation Course English, third year, which is implemented from session 23-24. Previous year students have already attempted the paper for the same, and we shall discuss it in the further or say in the future series. Students, the course content has been designed to enhance your vocabulary and your grammar skills, and also to help you develop your competency in the language. Let us see what the syllabus comprises of, or the content of the syllabus is. The first part is reading, writing and interpretation skills, in which you will come across very famous works of the famous authors and writers. The first one is The Express by Stephen Spender. The World is Too Much with Us by William Wordsworth, who is also a very renowned nature's poet. Then My Financial Career by Stephen Leacock. And also lastly, Running for Governor by Mark Twain. You will come across MCQs based on the comprehension and the poetry part that would be taught in the class. The second part comprises of, again, some topics which are quite familiar to you, or you must be quite familiar to these topics, I shall say. These are terrorism, COVID-19 pandemic, India and the modern world, the role of the women in the new era, the global world. And again, there would be MCQs based on your knowledge on these relevant topics that has been comprised in your syllabus. The third section is again a very important question important topic, I should say, to help you develop your communication skills, your important knowledge, so as to see if in case you have come across conversations in a restaurant, or say in airport, or when you go for a movie, if you have met someone, or in case if you introduce yourself. So there shall be some conversation dialogues which shall be asked to you to complete, or say to put a tick on the right option. For example, if in case you meet someone for the first time, you greet him or her. So there shall be a question regarding the same, that if you are meeting, say, your friend X for the first time, so what would be the probable dialogue or the conversation that you would start with. So in such ways, your knowledge regarding your conversation would be checked or tested. Then in the first section, as you see that there are often few words like accept and accept, or say lie and lay, which shall be checked. Often these words have different spellings, but their pronunciation, like homonyms, is same. So you would be given an expert lesson in the class, and there would be also exercise sessions or sheets which shall help you to, correct your mistakes, or say to help you acquire knowledge regarding the same, like the words which are misused, or idiomatic expressions and proverbs which are world famous, but there might be few of them which you might not be aware of. So we shall discuss the same in the class. Third one is filing an FIR, writing a resume, email, blog. Also, writing these is not mandatory in the syllabus, but if in case we develop these skills, we shall be able to solve the questions of MCQs or any topic given in the examination. So for these we will be practicing writing skills on the same, like we can discuss, or we shall be coming across what is the particular format of an FIR, or say what is the particular format or performer of a resume, how to write email, the necessary steps to write it, and also how should a blog be written. There are few keywords which shall be taken care of, which are given in this. For example, manifesto, rage, meteors, perjury, campaign, resume. So these shall be also discussed in the class, their implementation and how these will be given in the examination. There are few readings or study materials suggested in the syllabus. The most famous, or say the most suitable for you, is, I should suggest, is by English Essential by Raymond Murphy, Cambridge University. And in the further series, students, I'll discuss that, we can come across, or we will be discussing final year's paper that has been, come across by students of final year, previous year students. And in that ways, you will come across how the particular syllabus has been implemented. ये जो syllabus था students, ये पहली बार पिछले वर्ष के जो स्टूडेंट्स थे फाइनल ईयर के, उन्होंने इस सिलेबस पर जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने पहली बार इम्प्लीमेंट किया था, क्वेश्चन पेपर या एग्जाम दिया है. इसमें 50 MCQs क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मार्किंग स्कीम या फिर मिनिमम पासिंग मार्क्स हियर इज 17. So students, that video again shall help you to see the practical implementation of the syllabus. Thank you.